Hello everyone, today a little quick unique candy review here with the Kitkat Cookie Crumble. This is straight out Kuwait. We don't have this here in Canada. I'm excited to give this a go because it looks good. Cookie Crumble. We'll see what this is all about. So, can't read the nutrition label. I actually don't think there's a nutrition label. Oh, 98 calories, 4.8 grams of fat, 11.8 grams of carbohydrates, and 1.6 grams of protein. So, here's nutrition on. So let's get right into it. Oh, it looks kind of like a cookie and cream kind of Kit Kat. Now, oh, it's already pre-broke. Perfect. Let's give her a go. That's good. It tastes like a more chocolatey cookies and cream. Kind of like the picture, the cookie crumble picture that was on there. Tastes like that. So as you know, I'm a big Kit Kat review channel. Actually, I only have one other video with Japanese Kit Kat. Go check that one out if you haven't already. But this last piece here, it's cool. They got chocolatey cookies and cream. That was better than a regular Kit Kat. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving that an 8.5. It's pretty good. Really good chocolate flavor. It's got little pieces of cookie in it like a cookies and cream bar would have. And it's Kit Kat. It's got that wafery crunch to it as well. Too good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.